But how will all of these overnight cues impact our own markets? We have our research team joining in with the trade setup and the stocks that are likely to be in the news today. First up, Vivek is joining in to get all the market cues we need to watch out for today. Vivek, good morning. What's the setup looking like? The handover looks mixed.
You're right, the handover looks mixed. Good morning to you too. Well, US market, like we mentioned, all eyes will be on the outcome of the Fed meeting. But there are a lot of overnight cues and, especially in terms of regulatory action and the impact that it might have on the entire Indian equity market today. Now, just going through, what the US market did overnight, very mixed. Tech was quite weak, and in fact, in extended trading session, Microsoft shares also fell on the back of a weak outlook as far as the cloud business is concerned. Oil prices continue to trend lower. Now, Brent continues to stay below the $80 a barrel mark. Now, talking about the Indian markets yesterday, ended shy of record closing level. Nifty, however, slipped below the 24,900 mark. Broader end of the markets outperformed. That trend continues. Mid-cap index at a fresh record high. PSU stocks were the ones that were in focus. OMCs as well as utilities outperformed quite significantly. Today, the key event to watch out for, especially, keep an eye out for exchange stocks, broking stocks, also stocks that go ahead and enable transactions as far as the F&O market is concerned. All of them will be impacted. This is on account of the SEBI proposal to introduce stricter measures to curb derivative trading. A lot of results reactions as well, and a lot of stocks will be in focus on that. Tata Consumer, GAIL, Dixon Tech, Industar, Torrent Power, all of these will react to results. Today, a whole host of big companies too will come out with their numbers in terms of the Nifty names. So watch out for names like Maruti, M&M, Tata Steel, Coal India. Asian markets, GIFT Nifty, all indicating a subdued start today for our markets.
For Nifty earnings, plenty of earnings reactions as well. Vivek, thanks a lot for that update. Over to Vamakshi, who would list out plenty more stocks that you need to watch out for in today's session. Vamakshi, good morning.
Well, good morning, Hormaz. Let me first start off with Tata Consumer. The company reported revenue and net profit that was lower than estimates. EBITDA and margin, however, came in above expectations. The margins for the company improved to 15.3%, but the net profit overall was down nearly 14.3% on a YOY basis. GAIL reported an all-round beat. Margin has improved 250 basis points sequentially to 13.5%, and the net profit has surged to by 25.1% on a sequential basis. Dixon Tech is the next counter we will be watching out for. Revenue, EBITDA and net profit has come in higher than estimates. The margins at 3.8% are in line with what we were expecting, and this beat is largely being driven by strong performance in the mobile segment. Indus Towers reports a sharp jump in margins to 61.6% as compared to 49.7% seen in the same quarter last year. Net profit too surges by almost 43%. Jindal Stainless reports a downtick of almost 7.4% in its revenue, but margins have improved 120 basis points on a YOY basis to 12.9%. Additionally, the board has gone ahead and approved raising funds up to nearly 5,000 crores. TVS Supply Chains reported a downtick of 20 basis points in its margins. Net profit is what the company has reported this time around of 7.5 crore as compared to a loss last year. Apart from that, a whole host of other counters in focus. A good set of numbers coming in from Torrent Power, Moil, Zaggle, Aegis Logistics, Johnson Controls, Hitachi, and a weak set of numbers coming in from PTC Industries, Navin Fluorine. And lastly, let's watch out for Adani Energy Solutions. The QIP opened yesterday and the floor price has been set at 1,027.11 per share.
Vamakshi, thanks a lot for that update. All of these stocks, it's a long list, so keep all of them on your radar. But time